So you can actually make a lot of money from this if you do it the right way. And I'm going to show you how you can do it the right way without losing any money. And specifically first, we're going to go over TikTok. So basically, I'm going to give you an example of how influencer marketing works. So let's say a company reaches out to me and they ask me to post a TikTok to promote their product. And they pay me $300 to do that because I have over 500,000 followers. So what I'll do is I'll post a TikTok and then I'll put the link in my bio so that people can go to my link and then click it and then buy the product or sign up for it. So basically that company trusts that I am going to bring them sales by promoting their products, and so they'll pay me $300 in hopes that they're going to make more than $300. And so what you can do as a small business is basically reach out to influencers just like me, but obviously influencers in the niche of your product, and then ask them if they can promote your product for a fixed price. So for example, if you're selling girly products and then you want to find an influencer, here's what you can do. So I'll give you a quick example of this. This girl on TikTok here has 230,000 followers. Now someone with this many followers might charge you anywhere from $50 to $100 per TikTok post. And I will say that is a little pricey, but compared to what people charge on Instagram, honestly, that's not too bad. But basically, you'd have to reach out to them by email and then ask them to promote your product. And for example, this girl is promoting a foot peel mask right here, and she probably is getting paid for that. I'm not 100% sure, but if a brand did reach out to her, she's getting paid for that. And so now basically I want to show you how you can find people on TikTok to advertise your products for a reasonable price. Alright, so I'm going to show you an example of what I would do, and you can obviously use your phone, but I use my computer just to show you guys. So I'd search up hashtag food on TikTok. And again, you can do this on your phone. And what's going to happen here is I'm going to get all these food TikToks, and so the people who post this stuff are most likely people that post stuff around kitchen things. Alright, so as you can see, this guy has 4.2 million followers. Now, I don't want someone with that many followers because these people do charge a lot of money. And so my range is anywhere from 50,000 followers to 250,000 followers because I can probably pay them anywhere from $50 to $100 to advertise my products. So I'm just going to keep on searching until I find someone with less than 250,000 followers. Alright, so I just came upon this girl's profile, and a couple things to highlight is she has a decent amount of followers, but she has a lot of likes. And so this could mean that her videos do go viral. And also, as you can see here, her videos do get a good amount of views. And also, she isn't promoting anything in her bio, which is also a good sign. So what I would want to do is get her to promote my products and be an affiliate. So basically, being an affiliate means that you only pay her when she makes you a sale. So basically, you would reach out to her and you can give her the product for free, and you can tell her to promote it, and tell her also that anytime someone clicks a link in her bio and buys the product through the link, she's going to get a percent of that payment. So what I could do is actually reach out to her and tell her that I want to build a long-term partnership with her and make her an affiliate. So basically, if she's an affiliate, what's going to happen is she only gets paid when she actually gets you a sale. So you could send her the product for free, tell her to promote your product, and then have a link in her bio. And anytime someone clicks a link in her bio and they buy the product, she's going to get a percentage of that. So I say it's usually fair to give them 20%. So if someone buys a $20 product, you should give her $4 since that's 20%. And so if you ever do want to get influencers to market your products, make sure you do it as an affiliate, because if you do it another way where you pay them $50 upfront just to market your product, you may never end up making any money from that, because who knows if anyone's actually going to buy your product. So I'll give you an example of how it works for me. So basically right now I am an affiliate for Oberlo. So anytime someone signs up for Oberlo in the link in my bio, I get $1. So if you click the link on my bio right now, you can see here I have the Oberlo free business course, and this is going to be free. So if someone does click it and they sign up, I'm going to get $1 for every sign up. And so basically that means that I am an affiliate. And so basically Oberlo reached out to me and asked me to be an affiliate, and they said, you can put us in your bio, and anytime someone signs up, we're going to give you $1. Alright, but anyways, back to this girl. So let's say I do want her to promote my kitchen products. Well, I have to email her, so I'm going to have to find her email. And I noticed that she does have her Instagram linked in her bio, and so all I have to do is click on her Instagram, but you have to be on your phone, because if you're on the desktop, it's not going to show you. you. Alright, so I found her Instagram here, and for some reason, I don't know why it's in a different language. Alright, so as you can see, she has the option for me to email her. And so I'm going to go ahead and email her something to ask her if she wants to be an affiliate for my brand. And I'm going to show you guys how this email would look and basically how it would work on your end. Alright guys, so before I show you what the email is going to look like, I first just want to recap exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so she is going to promote our products on her TikTok, and she's going to be a long-term affiliate for our company. And in exchange, she's going to get a free product, and she's also going to have our store linked in her bio, and anytime she makes us a sale, she's going to get 20% profit. And so what I recommend is you reach out to at least 30 people and you basically use this structure for yourself. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make a nice email and send it to them, because a lot of the time these influencers don't answer, and so maybe you'll email like 50 people, and out of 50, if you're lucky, maybe 5 or 10 will answer. Now the biggest thing I put here is, as a Kitchen Must-Haves affiliate, you will receive 20% commission for all sales you bring in. All this requires is for you to have us linked in your TikTok bio. So basically, all she has to do is have us linked in her TikTok bio, and anytime someone goes through her link and they buy a product, she's going to get 20% commission. And I was going to consider giving her a free product and her promoting the product, but if she's going to make a TikTok video, she's probably going to ask you to pay her something up front, so she's probably going to ask for like $50 to $100 for the video. And so in that case, if you're just starting out, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just focus on trying to get affiliates. And then also here I said, here's the link to join the affiliate program. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to set this up and how to get this affiliate link. So go back here to Shopify and click on apps. Click visit the Shopify app store and then search up affiliate link. Okay, so the one we're going to use is called Affiliate Marketing GoAff Pro. Okay, so I want you to actually search this up in Shopify because this is what I use and this is actually the best one. So click add app and then click install app. Alright, so here I have the app now. I'm going to click get started and I'm going to say I'm new to affiliate marketing, and then basically here it's going to show you how it works. Alright, so here it's saying first thing, let us decide how much commission you want to give your affiliates. So I'm going to say you want to give them 20%. And what about coupons? I would say no, I'm going to skip this. Alright, so here it says copy your affiliate link, so I'm going to copy this. Alright, and here it's saying basically you can put the affiliate link on your page, but I'm not going to do that, so skip. Alright, so here we are now, we've signed in, and so it says here affiliate sign up page. So I'm going to copy this. And here I'm going to paste it right here where it says here's a link to join our affiliate program. So if she clicks this, she goes here. It's going to ask her here to create an affiliate account. So I'm going to just do it for an example. So Sarah Finance, and I'm going to use a password. Alright, so basically once she creates the account, she's going to have her affiliate link right here. So she can just click copy. And so now basically she can put this link in her bio. And then anyone who goes through that link and buys a product, she gets 20% for that. I'll show you quickly how it's going to work. So click on affiliates and you are going to see all affiliates. So there we go, we have Sarah Finance as an affiliate right now. And then here it's going to show how much money she basically brought in and then her earnings, so how much money Sarah Finance made. And so once she brings money in, obviously you're going to have to pay her. And so it's going to show here the earnings, which is 20%. And to pay them, you can click on payouts. And that's basically it. But if you do need more help using this app, you can honestly just contact them and they'll be able to help you. But it's very simple to use. And I wouldn't worry about this too much until you actually get an affiliate, because that's obviously going to be the hardest part. But yeah, you have this app, it's here, and if you need any extra help using it, obviously just contact them, but I don't think you're going to need any help right now in the beginning. Now here's the thing, you might email a lot of people and a lot of them aren't going to answer, and so I recommend emailing at least 50 people. I know it's a lot and it's going to take some time, but just send the same thing to all of them, just change the name. And if they don't answer in 3 days, I recommend you just send them a follow-up email saying, hey Vanessa, I just want to make sure that you received my previous email. I look forward to hearing from you. And that's basically it. And if they don't respond after you send that second follow-up email, it probably means that they aren't interested, so you don't have to email them anymore. But yeah, that's basically how you can get someone to be an affiliate for your brand on TikTok.